Hey guys, Andy here from Rolling Hops Beer Tours, coming at you with episode 3 of our Ontario Breweries Series. Now make sure to go back and watch episode 1 and episode 2. They are fantastic. Hit those like buttons, smash that subscribe button. We certainly appreciate it. Now, episode 3. Who are we showcasing? In my opinion, one of the coolest cities in all of Ontario. One with an amazing craft brewery scene, as well as a cool agricultural community that exists all around it. It's an amazing university town with an enormous amount of vibrancy. The city, Guelph. Now, Guelph has an amazing abundance of craft breweries, as well as an assortment, a range, a wide spectrum of amazing craft beer that's being produced. So come along with me, let's do some exploring of Guelph. Standing behind me is Royal City Brewing Co. here in the Ward neighborhood of Guelph, Ontario. Now the brewery was established in 2013, actually by a couple of friends who went to university here at the University of Guelph. The brewery specializes in an array of kettle sours, hoppy IPAs, pale ales, not to mention many, many, many more. The brewery likes to really appeal itself to approachable selections to their craft beer selection. On either hot summer days or cold winter nights, Royal City Brewing Co. is the place to be here in Guelph if you want to enjoy an array of amazing craft beer. Hey guys, so we're located here on McDonald Street in the heart of downtown Guelph. You guys can see right behind me at the end of the street is the Basilica of Our Lady Immaculate. We're here in the downtown of Guelph to check out one of the coolest craft breweries here in the city. So let's go. Brothers Brewing Company opened in 2014 by two twin brothers with a passion for business and brewing. Located on the corner of McDonald and Wyndham Street in the heart of downtown Guelph, Brothers Brewing is a great place to enjoy a quality beer selection on a sunny summer afternoon or during a winter's night out on the town. The brewery is in the historic Petrie Building, one of the most aesthetically pleasing buildings in Guelph's downtown core. The building's metal-clad facade beacons passers-by to step inside and take a look around. Brothers Brewing serves as a community hub, where locals and tourists meet to enjoy a variety of up to 12 beers on tap, ranging from their Tropic Thunder Pale Ale to their Lamplighter IPA. In its relatively short existence, there's no doubt that Brothers Brewing has made an impact on the city's growth and vibrancy. Here at Brothers Brewing Co. here in a rainy day in the heart of downtown Guelph. We have two amazing specimens with us at the moment. We have our IPA and our Pale Ale. So the IPA is called the Lamplighter. It's got 7% ABV. It's very, very hoppy. Yeah, very, very nice bitter finish to it. Lovely, lovely. And then we have our Pale Ale here. Nice crispness to it. Really, really awesome selections. So nice, even on a rainy day. Amazing to be here under our tarp here at Brothers Brewing Co. Gear Brewing opened its doors in late 2018 in the Junction neighborhood of Guelph, Ontario. Being an avid bicycle enthusiast, owner and founder Mike Oostervelt has combined his passion with bikes and beer. Most of the beers created by Fixed Gear, as well as the name of the brewery itself, have names related to bicycles. Some examples being the German Pilsner, Peloton, and perhaps their most popular beer being a cherry sour, entitled Cherry Training Wheels. In the summertime, Fixed Gear is the place to enjoy a wonderful pet and family-friendly atmosphere, while taking in some great food offered by local food trucks. With Fixed Gear's acquisition of local brewery Stonehammer, Fixed Gear continues to grow its presence in not only the city of Guelph, but all over the province of Ontario. Okay, here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at Fixed Gear Brewing Co. in the Junction neighborhood of Guelph, Ontario.
So we're going to start from our light selection here and move to our dark. We have an array of 8 different samples. I'm pretty excited, if you can tell. So I have a little cheat sheet here just so I don't get confused.
So we're going to start with our lager. It's our Braccia Italian lager. So very light, very mild, super, very crushable. Probably do quite a few of these. It's very simple.
Easy beer. If you're not even a big beer drinker, you'll probably really like this. It's very light. Can't stop. Get your sip. Okay, moving on. We have our
Peloton Pilsner. So we have our Pilsner here. So really nice, pretty smooth, a little bit more bitter finish, but awesome. Really like that. Okay, next we have our Fixie Citra. So we have our Citra IPA. Notice very super nice. A really nice finish. Kind of hoppy, but not too bad. Okay, next we have a Breakaway IPA. I think this is a lot more like hazy. It's gonna be, got a bit more hops there. It's really nice, but it's still pretty mild. Nice sort of end finish to it. So moving to our darker selection, we have our Concord Grape Aged Super Saison. Wow. Wow, very grapey. It's really nice, quite sweet. It's almost like a wine beer combo. This is the Piece de Resistance. This is the, I believe, yes, the Cherry Training Wheels Sour. Okay, so this is Fixed Gear's kind of staple, probably their most famous beer. So super excited for this.
So nice.
Like not like super cherry-y, but like really good. All right, coming to the final stretch here, we have our dark Stonehammer Dark Ale.
Right, so Fixed Gear kind of, there was another brewery here in Guelph called Stonehammer. Actually, Fixed Gear and Stonehammer kind of merged, so this is an original Stonehammer creation here, the Dark Ale. Yeah, really nice. Kind of
nice little smooth, chocolatey finish. Really like that.
really like that. That's really nice.
Okay, and our last but not least is our Stout. So this is the Red Hook Stout.
Wow.
Large, very like chocolatey, coffee-y aroma.
Wow, yes.
Very, very coffee-y. These are all such an amazing rainbow of flavors and such a delectable combination of everything. Fixed Gear, super amazing beer. Couldn't recommend them more. Awesome. 10 out of 10. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so standing behind me is the world famous Sleeman Brewery in Guelph, Ontario. Now, this institution is so connected with the city that if one thinks of Guelph, you're probably gonna think of Sleeman's Brewery. Now, Sleeman dates back all the way to 1834, when John H. Sleeman moved from his home country of England here to Upper Canada. Now, his first brewery wasn't in the city of Guelph, but instead in what was called St. David's, which is modern-day Niagara-on-the-Lake. it wouldn't be until 1851 that John H. Sleeman established his first brewery here in Guelph. Sleeman Brewing would be found guilty of tax evasion and ordered by the Canadian government to be shut down for the next 50 years. It wouldn't be until the 1980s that John H. Sleeman's great-great-grandson would go on to resurrect the brand. For the next 15 years, Sleeman reestablished its strong sense here in Ontario, and in 2006, giant Japanese brewing corporation Sapporo would go on to purchase Sleeman Brewing for the sum of $400 million. All across North America and the world, Sleeman Brewing's reputation is second to none for its amazing selection of beer. If you're ever in the Guelph area, swing by and have a look at this institution that helped grow not only the city of Guelph, not only the province of Ontario, but the country of Canada itself. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching that video where we showcase the magnificent city of Guelph. Make sure to stay tuned for episode 4 of our Ontario Breweries Series, where we showcase Canada's twin cities. That is, of course, Kitchener and Waterloo. Make sure to hit this subscribe button. Follow us on all social media. That, of course, includes Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and, you guessed it, TikTok. From all of us here on the Rolling Hops team, remember, craft beer is here.